And next this week we saw Extract. It is written and directed by Mike Judge. Of course, you know him from Beavis and Butthead and King of the Hill, and of course Office Space. And after seeing this movie, it is clear that Mike Judge does not like the corporate atmosphere at all. This story focuses on Joel, who owns an extract making company. He makes vanilla extract and root beer extract and things like that for baking. And
which is very exciting.
Yeah.
Just ask him; he'll tell you.
And you know, his life, he's having all sorts of marital problems. He's feeling disconnected from his wife, and he has a strict deadline of trying to get home by 8 o'clock before the sweatpants come on, because if that happens, there's no love that night. But I mean, this one has a very wide story scope. There's a lot of things happening in this that it kind of meanders from one place to the other, but I don't think it really ruined the movie for me.
It didn't ruin it, but I mean, it does meander, and a lot of things go unexplained, like why he and his wife are having these marital. I mean, it's something certainly deeper than they just don't have sex if he doesn't get home by 8 o'clock. And then he sets his wife up with this gigolo who's supposed to be cleaning the pool, and he's paying the gigolo to try and seduce his wife, and it works like that. And but I mean, a lot of this stuff kind of goes unexplained. I mean, it has a certain fodder for comedy, but I mean, the whys of it,
reasonings,
the whys of it are never really explained, and I would have liked to have known a little bit more. And Mila Kunis's character Cindy is like this traveling con artist, and really her character is, I mean, she sets the ball rolling and then just sort of disappears. So it's just a lot of things go unresolved, a lot of loose strings. But I mean, it was still pretty funny.
Yeah, I mean, Jason Bateman was good and Mila Kunis was good.
J.K. Simmons.
Yeah, J.K. Simmons, he was good in it. The performances were all good. The story behind it was a little shaky, but still a decent movie to watch.
Yeah, I mean, I think if you're honest with yourself, the same thing was sort of true of Office Space.
Yeah.
Where the last half of the movie just sort of cycled out of control, and that's sort of what happened here. And, I mean, it's still funny and it's worth a look, but a little disappointing in terms of not wrapping anything up plot-wise. But still, check it out.
Yep.
We'll be right back.